Home screen. The home screen is your starting point. You can perform most of the tasks from this screen. The main menu consists of tabs of all the sections of the software. Clicking each button will display the corresponding section. There are 12 sections in the main menu. As mentioned earlier, the home screen is your starting point and lists the terminals of your cafe. You can perform administrative tasks on each terminal from this section. The Users section allows you to add new users and view or modify user details. It also allows you to search for users registered in your cafe or any other iCafe manager cafes. In this section, you can specify the rates you will charge customers per time slot. You can add, view, or modify rate plans and membership packages. This section manages the products and services you offer for your users. You can add, delete, or modify the products and services, manage inventory, and specify the charges for each of the products or services you offer. The Print Manager section allows you to keep track of all printing activities of printers installed in your internet cafe. The Bandwidth Monitor enables you to monitor the download limit for the users. This section is a part of the Settings section. This section allows you to block websites by website address and also enable the website tracking feature on client terminals. The Reports section gives access to a variety of reports that are generated by the software. You can view the reports for an individual date or for a range of dates. This button locks the server to prevent misuse when you are away from the server. You would need to enter your username and password to unlock the server. Locking the server does not disrupt the activities of the terminals in the Internet Cafe. The Settings section allows you to change the application settings and customize the software. The Notice Board is an informational page that provides information such as iCafe Manager's new features and product releases. The Help section links you to the complete product manual, training videos, and FAQs. The left menu is contextual and changes according to the section you view. The buttons on the left menu list the common tasks you can perform within a particular section or related tasks from other sections. The left menu on the home screen consists of the following buttons: Add User, Find User, Add Sale, Reconnect all terminals, Shut down all terminals, Restart all terminals, Collection Report, Daily Register Report, Terminal Usage Report. The Add User button allows you to add a new customer to the database. You can add a new customer as a user walk-in, a registered user, or a member. The Find User button displays the user screen, where you can run a search for a user. The user may be registered in your local database or in an online database. The Add Sale button enables you to generate an invoice for any product or service sold in your cafe. Reconnect all terminals enables you to re-establish connection with all the terminals in your cafe. The Restart All Terminals and Shut Down All Terminals buttons can restart or shut down all the terminals in your cafe with a single command. The Collection Report, Daily Register Report, and the Terminal Usage Report display the common reports that you would require to view regularly. Towards the bottom of the left menu, you have a drop-down box which allows you to switch employees, that is, log in as another employee. Below the Switch Employee drop-down box, there is a Search Help box for you to search the iCafeManager.com website. At the bottom left corner of the home screen, your cafe name and cafe code will be displayed. The Quick Help bar at the extreme right of the screen can be expanded for tips on how to use the home screen. The main display area displays the components of the section you are viewing. On the home screen, you can view all the terminals that are connected to your server and information regarding each terminal. Each icon shows complete information about the terminal. You can toggle the view of the main display area between icon view and table view. The icon view displays the terminals in your network as icons, while the table view lists the terminals and details of the activities of each terminal. The Logout User bottom can be used to close the session of any terminal. Select the terminal icon in the main display area and click the Logout User button. This terminates the session for that user. The View User Details button enables you to view the details of the user when you select a terminal and click the button. The View Invoice Details button displays the current invoice particulars for a selected terminal. It includes the charges for the current session and any products or services the user might have availed of. The lower portion of the home screen has the Updates pane with 3 tabs. The Terminal Information section provides details about all the active terminals, including the terminal name, the name and type of the user, the amount charged separately for internet usage and other products or services purchased, the total amount payable by the user, the session's login time, duration, time remaining, and the amount of data downloaded at the terminal during the session. This is optional, which is visible only when you enable bandwidth monitoring. The Closed Sessions section is updated whenever a customer logs out from a terminal and the session is closed. It provides details about all the closed sessions, including the name and the type of the user, the terminal name, the session's login and logout time as well as duration, and the amount charged for the session. It also provides a link to the invoice for the internet usage. The Event Log section displays a record of events that occur on the terminals, including a description of the event and the date and time when it took place.